Which type of tissue connects muscle to bone? The right option is beta, tendon. Tendons connect muscle to bone, enabling movement. Which part of the cell contains the genetic material? The right option is Charlie, nucleus. The nucleus houses DNA, the genetic blueprint of the cell. The femur is a bone found in which part of the body? The right option is beta, leg. The femur is the thigh bone, the longest bone in the human body. What is the main function of large intestine? The right option is Charlie, water absorption. The large intestine absorbs water from undigested food. Which type of muscle is found in the walls of the blood vessels? The right option is Charlie, smooth muscles. Smooth muscles is involuntary and found in the walls of blood vessels. What structure in the air is responsible for balance? The right option is Charlie, semicircular canals. Semicircular canals contain fluid that helps maintain balance. Which hormone regulates blood sugar levels? The right option is alpha, insulin. Insulin helps lower blood glucose levels by facilitating cellular uptake. The primary function of the mitochondria is to. The right option is beta, generate energy. Mitochondria produce ATP, the energy currency of the cell. Which part of the brain is responsible for memory and learning? The right option is Charlie, hippocampus. The hippocampus is crucial for forming and retrieving memory. Which organ is responsible for filtering blood and producing urine? The right option is beta, kidney. Kidneys filter waste from the blood to form urine. The trachea branches into two tubes called. The right option is alpha, bronchi. The trachea splits into the left and right bronchi, leading to the lungs. What is the primary function of platelets in the blood? The right option is Charlie, to clot blood. Platelets are involved in blood clotting to prevent bleeding. Which organelle is known as the powerhouse of the cell? The right option is beta, mitochondria. Mitochondria generate ATP, providing energy for the cell's activities. Which system is responsible for transporting nutrients and oxygen throughout the body? The right option is Charlie, circulatory system. The circulatory system distributes nutrients, oxygen, and removes waste. The outermost layer of the skin is called. The right option is beta, epidermis. The epidermis is the skin's outer protective layer. Which part of the eye controls the amount of light entering to it? The right option is beta, iris. The iris regulates energy entry by adjusting the pupil size. The smallest structural and functional unit of the nervous system is. The right option is alpha, neuron. Neurons transmit nerve impulses, making them fundamental to the nervous system. Which type of joint is found in the shoulder and hip? The right option is beta, ball and socket joint. These joints allow for a wide range of movement in multiple directions. What is the primary function of hemoglobin? The right option is beta, transporting oxygen. Hemoglobin in red blood cells binds and transports oxygen. Which organ produces bile? The right option is Charlie, liver. The liver produces bile, which aids in the digestion of fats. Bile emulsifies fats. Which type of blood cell is responsible for fighting infections? The right option is beta, white blood cells. White blood cells, also known as leukocytes, are part of the immune system. What is the main function of the small intestine? The right option is beta, nutrient absorption. The small intestine absorbs nutrient from digested food. Which structure in the brainstem regulates breathing and heart rate? The right option is beta, medulla oblongata. The medulla oblongata controls vital autonomic functions. The primary muscle involved in the movement of the upper arm is. The right option is beta, biceps brachii. The biceps brachii muscle flexes the elbow and rotates the forearm. Which hormone is produced by the adrenal glands? The right option is beta, adrenaline. Adrenaline, epinephrine increases heart rate and energy levels during stress. The axial skeleton includes which of the following? The right option is alpha, skull, vertebral column and ribs cage. Which part of the respiratory system is the site of gas exchange? The right option is beta, alveoli. Alveoli in the lungs facilitate the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide. The myelin sheath is found around. The right option is beta, neuronal axons. Myelin sheaths insulate axons to speed up nerve impulse transmission. Which type of connective tissue stores fat? The right option is alpha, adipose tissue. Adipose tissue stores energy in the form of fat. Which part of brain is responsible for voluntary movements? The right option is Charlie, cerebrum. The cerebrum is responsible for voluntary movements. Which structure is the primary site of protein synthesis in a cell? The right option is beta, ribosome. Ribosomes synthesize proteins by translating genetic information. The thoracic cavity houses which of the following organs? The right option is beta, heart and lungs. The thoracic cavity contains and protects the heart and lungs. What is the function of the epiglottis? Preventing food from entering the trachea. The right option is Charlie. Which structure connects the pharynx to the stomach? The right option is alpha, esophagus. The esophagus is a muscular tube that transports food to the stomach. The primary function of lymphatic system is alpha, transport oxygen, beta, filter blood, Charlie produce hormone, delta defend against infections. Comment the right answer.